The future of renting is here today, with LiveRent's new Pay by Bitcoin feature available now. So, how do you pay for your rent with Bitcoin? The process is very similar to how you pay rent with credit cards or UnionPay on LiveRent. First, you get a notification in the chat from your landlord or property manager when they have sent you a new payment request. Click on it and then tap Make Payment. Navigate to the drop-down menu and select the last option, Bitcoin. Once you have selected Bitcoin, the process is simple. Note that there's a 0.5% processing fee charged by LiveRent on the total rental amount for processing and facilitating these transactions. If you compare that to the processing fees charged by major credit card lenders who get anywhere from 2.5 to 5% for transactions, this is pretty reasonable. Afterwards, you're going to want to agree to LiveRent's terms and conditions. Next, click Pay Now. A pop-up window will appear, giving you two ways to make your payment. One, if you have a Coinbase account, which is a popular cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider, then you can log in and pay through Coinbase. It will show you your account and balance, and you can make your payment. Two, if you have a wallet that's outside of Coinbase, then you can click on Bitcoin. Another pop-up with a QR code will appear, and from here, you can either scan the QR code or hit copy next to the Bitcoin address and paste it directly into your wallet. Next, it's the cryptocurrency waiting game, as transactions can take about 30 minutes to verify and process. Here, you can see the blue bar moving, indicating that it's actively monitoring the network and waiting to confirm the payment. You do not have to stay on this page or keep it open in order for it to continue processing. As long as you've pressed pay, the verification and confirmation process is still working on the back end. Once the payment has been detected, the pop-up window will switch to reflect this update as it awaits verification. At this step, the technology recognizes that a payment has been submitted and works through its network to verify it. If you navigate to your rentals during this time, you will see that your payment is pending. The notice will automatically change once your payment has been confirmed, and it may take up to 4 to 6 days for the payment to be 100% finalized. Once everything is completed, it will show you the full payments, including the time it was paid, the total amount paid, and all the details in the full receipt. And that's it. Paying for rent with Bitcoin is pretty easy, isn't it? LiveRent, renting made simple.